Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create the typewriter effect in CapCut. So if you want to have these text effects on your videos, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. First, you can just launch the CapCut applications on your phone, and then you can just hit on this new project and start choosing the videos that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use this videos right here. Tap on add. So after the video is open, you can now just start by writing the text that you want. So I'm going to just add the text. I'm going to just write, this is an example of the typewriter. Okay, I'm going to just enter like this, and now you can just style it to how you like it. I'm going to just go with this. Then you can also change the phone if you want to. Okay, I'm going to change the phone like this, for example. And now to add the typewriting effect, you can just click on the text stills in here and find the animations. And under the animation, you can just find the typewriter animations. You can find it under the in category. Click on it, and now just adjust the duration. So if you wanted the typing slow, you can just swipe the durations to be longer. But if you want to make it fast, just shorten it just like this. Okay, so it depends on you. I'm going to go with 2.5 seconds, and to make it more like a dynamic, you can add sound effects. Let's go to audio, sound effects, and just find the typing or typewriter sound effects. Let's just okay, I'm going to use this one. You can hit on plus icon and adjust the duration of the sound effect to match with the text. Okay, like this, and now this will be the result. So that's how you can make a typewriter effect on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.